WP Engine Customer Reviews. Trusted by more than 1.5 million websites, customers come to us for WordPress hosting, but stay for our world-class security, website speed, and award-winning customer support. By embracing WordPress and other open-source systems while building on WP Engine's platform, Great American Cookies has absolutely crushed their foray into digital commerce. David Feldman, founder and director of strategy, 3Owl. Fully managed WordPress hosting. Our platform provides WordPress technology solutions that fuel better web development, unmatched site performance, and effortless client management. For fully managed WordPress installs, WP Engine is my go-to. When it comes to managed hosting solutions, WP Engine is our platform of choice. Between the 24th of July 365 support and a genuinely easy-to-use interface, anyone can safely spin up a site with industry best practices baked in. Easily one of the best partners we've ever worked with. We've worked with WP Engine for a number of years now across a range of hosting needs, from shared to dedicated and monolithic WordPress to headless WordPress. Their dedication to great customer support and top-tier technical assistance is second to none. Excellent support, easy to work with, highly recommend. Full disclosure, we're in the WP Engine Partner Program and have been for many years. I don't promote WP Engine because of this though. I promote them because they are a fantastic WordPress managed hosting solution. Their service is excellent. Read more real customer reviews. Browse our latest customer reviews on Trustpilot, a third-party review platform, open to everyone. Start creating on WordPress today. Talk to a specialist to find a solution that is right for you, or explore our plans and pricing. Some reviews have been edited for length and clarity.